How you doing? Eric here from Chaparral Motorsports. Today we're going to take a look at Progressive Suspension's Touring Link Chassis Stabilizer. If you've been riding Harley touring models for many years, you've probably experienced what many call the dreaded bagger wobble. That's where the back of the bike starts to swirl around so much that it starts to affect the handling at the front. Not only can this be very nerve-wracking, but it can also be potentially a very dangerous situation. Now with the 2009 touring models, Harley came out with a new frame, swing arm, and engine mounting system that remedied the bagger wobble for the most part. However, there's still people that experience the wobble even on the newer bikes. There are several things or a combination of things that can cause the bagger wobble to come on, such as low rear tire pressure, poor tread on your rear tire, worn motor mounts or swing arm cleave lock bushings, an overloaded or improperly loaded bike, and or lateral movement of the drivetrain or swing arm. Usually the effect comes on when traveling at highway speeds, mostly when rolling through sweeping turns, but it can also come on when you're going in a straightaway. Usually what happens is you hit a bump or even a raised range groove that upsets the rear of the bike and gets it to shaking. If you've experienced the bagger wobble, then you'll be very interested in Progressive Suspension's Touring Link. What the Touring Link does is it mounts to the side of the frame and under the transmission and links the two together with a connecting rod. Basically, once installed, the frame mount works as an anchor point, keeping the rear of the drivetrain from moving or twisting and helping keep the drivetrain aligned with the chassis. The Touring Link fits 1993 to 2014 Harley-Davidson touring models. It comes with a forged steel frame mount, a connecting rod with precision rod end bearings, a transmission mount bracket, and all the necessary hardware. Now installation is very easy, takes about an hour with basic hand tools in your garage. I should note, however, that the Touring Link will not work if you have a late model Harley-Davidson with the cross-under exhaust or a header pipe that has a cross-under exhaust, because the cross-under exhaust gets in the way of the transmission mount bracket. The nice thing about the Touring Link is that even though it mounts underneath the bike, it won't affect your bike's ground clearance, won't add any additional vibration to your ride, and blends in so well with the rear right side of your frame that you'll hardly even notice that it's there. Now be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can watch my video on how to install the Touring Link on a 2012 Street Glide. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your ride.